Hi everyone, this is P with Mr. V, and today we are doing the headstand challenge. Woo! Headstand. A couple of things are really important to begin with. If you're doing it inside, make sure there are no tables close by, because if you would fall to the side, you can really hurt yourself by banging your knee or your foot against the table or a piece of furniture. So make sure you have enough space. Then you need something soft to put your head on. Okay, normally we do this in the gym with soft mats underneath. If you don't have them, then I suggest that you just take a little pillow from a chair that I've used here, something soft. Okay. Then, what is really important when we do a headstand? The base, which is basically a triangle between our head and our two hands. Now, the smaller the triangle, the more difficult it is to keep your balance. If you make your triangle really big, it might be difficult to get your legs up. So you have to find the right way just in the middle. So not too wide, not too small, but I would go more wide than small at the beginning. Now, a very common mistake is that people throw their legs up. Okay, if you throw your leg up, your legs up, it's very difficult to find the perfect spot there to stay, and many times you will just go backwards on your back. You don't want to do that in a living room where you have a hard floor underneath. So do not swing up your legs. You want to do it slowly and controlled. If you would be doing a cartwheel, then you want to do it fast. Now you want to do it slow and controlled. So let me talk you through it. We start on the mat. We try not to put our knees on the mat. We slide forward. Remember that triangle, so my hands are here, my head goes there. And now I walk closer, but not like this. I try to push my back straight as far as I can. If I can't go any further, I push on my hands and I bend my knees. And I go here. Then slowly I stretch and I try to find my balance. 1, 2, 3, come back. Tomato face. That's obviously because all the blood goes into your face. Is that a problem? Not really. Okay, little by little it will go down again. If you would stand on your head for an hour, then you might get a headache, so then it might be a problem. But just for 3 seconds, there's no problem whatsoever. An easier variation is doing it against the wall. This way you can never fall forward on your back, because obviously the wall will hold you back. Make sure the wall is empty, make sure your feet are not dirty neither, otherwise you'll get into trouble with your parents. And make sure that there's no furniture around you, because you can still fall to the side. Okay, and then it's basically the same thing. So we start standing up, or basically in that push-up position. Remember the triangle, and make sure that you put your head close enough. If you put it here, you could still bend your neck a little bit and fall like in a very awkward position in between the wall and where you placed your head. So hands here, head close enough, walk closer, as close as you can, I can already feel the wall on my back for support. Now I push up and my toes point to the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, and come back, tomato face. If you like the challenge, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Check out my other challenges as well if you haven't done so yet. Subscribe to the channel, click that notification button so each day I post a new video you will get notified. See you in the next one, bye.